Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and I'm here with a phone that I did not expect to review today. And shout out to my man Lampo. He found this awesome phone for me today. It is none other than the Oppo Reno 3 Pro. OMG. And the moment I saw this phone, I said, I gotta review this thing. Look at this gorgeous device. Now, I did not expect to get this phone right now, but he had it in the store, and this is the Oppo Reno 3, and this is AMOLED Awesomeness right here. It is just absolutely beautiful. Now, let me show you around this phone. Just initial impressions, amazing. It's almost like the OnePlus 7 Pro had a baby with the 7T and the P30 Pro, and you have this very beautiful look. I gotta say, this is a very sleek design. It feels kind of like a hybrid, almost Realme X2 Pro versus OnePlus 7T, OnePlus 7 Pro. It's a very beautiful phone. The first thing I noticed is how sleek this device feels in the hand. Let me show you the version that I got. I don't have the box with me at the moment. It's actually coming tomorrow. So right now I'm just using the phone itself. But let's have a look here. About phone. Let's go and look at it here. About phone. And you can see the version. And this is also the first 5G Snapdragon 765G version phone that I have on the channel here. Android version 10, as you can see there. Oppo Reno 3 Pro 5G. Pretty awesome. And ColorOS version 7. Your first look here of ColorOS 7 on Frankie Tech as well. What a nice find. Guys, design of this phone, it is absolutely gorgeous. The first thing I noticed, like I said, is how thin and beautiful it is. My gosh, I took off the case of this thing and I was just stunned at how thin it was. And it's got this very nice subtle curve. It's not too pronounced, but it looks really nice in the hand. And it's a 6.5 inch AMOLED display. AMOLED awesomeness right here. This, I think, is the perfect example of how you'd want to do a punch hole in 2020. One punch hole, one alone, and that's it. I don't want double punch holes. I don't want this kind of BS. I want to have a nice, clean look. And look at these top and bottom bezels. Look at that bottom bezel and the top bezel. It is just gorgeous. This is an absolutely gorgeous phone. I'm smitten, guys. It's, and once again, to Lampo, man, this is just absolutely beautiful. And now talking about, obviously, the specs of this phone. This is the 8 GB, 128 gigs of storage version, as you can see right there. I'm excited, guys, about this one. I truly am. And there you see Snapdragon 765. So this is the first 5G 765 phone that I have tested on the channel. And it is looking absolutely just stunning. The back, as I can show you guys here. Let's look around the phone real quick. I don't think, is that an IR blaster? I don't think that's a microphone hole. And we have USB-C, kind of similar peripherals to the Realme X2 Pro in that case, or the Oppo Reno Ace. So a very beautiful phone here nonetheless. And look at the back here. We look at talking about the battery, it's 4,100 milliamperes, 412 something, if I'm not mistaken. And it is just a beautiful display and a beautiful kind of performance here. And most importantly with this phone, I'll show you right now. We go to display. There we go. 90 hertz refresh rate. Guys, for me in 2020, this is the de facto. This is what you need to be a competitive phone in 2020, is an AMOLED display and 90 hertz refresh rate. I don't care about 120 hertz. And I gotta tell you, it is smooth, it is beautiful, and it is just working very nicely. And AMOLED just makes 90 hertz look so nice. I can't wait to put dark mode on this and start using it. As you can see, we have a punch hole there. And now talking quickly about the cameras, I gotta get more info about the cameras here, but let's go ahead and test it out. Look at this beautiful sunset here. Let's take a photo. Very fast shutter there. Much faster than the 730G. I can tell already this Snapdragon 765 is a real performer, and look at that. Incredible. Just a beautiful shot there. Let's go ahead and check out the other modes. We got the 2x, up to 20x there, and then we also have the wide angle which also does a really good job. Look at that wide angle shot, just beautiful. And a beautiful sunset, perfect time here. Seem to always review these Realme phones right when it's, when it's sunset. Let's take a quick photo of a selfie here in 3, 2, 1. And let's have a look. Very nice. For a spur of the moment selfie, that's about as good as you can get. So anyways, guys, that is your first look here of the Oppo Reno 3 Pro here on Frankie Tech. A really beautiful device. I'm pretty impressed with this thing, and I can't wait to test it out next to the other camera champ, the Mi Note 10 Pro, and really kind of put this through its paces. How does this compare, and how does this perform really as the other curved phone that I have in my arsenal now next to the Mi Note 10 Pro? Anyways, hit me up with any questions, any comments. I'd love to hear from them. And, once again, back again in 2020, coming in with a bang here. This is an exciting one. Hopefully, I will have more time to test this one out. Hit me up with any questions, comments, like I said, once again. And thanks again for all your support. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.